Welcome children to our YouTube channel. Today we simplify the sum problems. Here minus 5 by 3 multiply by in the bracket minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 5. We simplify this problem is equal to, first we simplify the bracket. So in the bracket now we find the LCM of the denominator. Here the 2 and 5. LCM of the 2 and 5 is a 10. Therefore, for getting the 10, we multiply in the denominator 2 by 5. So we multiply by minus 1 by 5 in the numerator plus. Here, for getting the 10, we multiply in denominator 5 by 2. So, in numerator minus 2 minus 3 multiply by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 3 multiply by minus 1 multiply by 5 is a minus 5 divided by 10 plus minus 3 multiplied by 2 minus 6 divided by 10 is equal to minus 5 by 3 multiplied by minus 5 minus 6 divided by 10. We add the numerator is equal to minus 5 by 3 multiply by minus 5 minus 6 is a minus 11 divided by 10 is equal to 5 to the 10 is equal to minus 1 multiplied by minus 11 divided by 6 is equal to 11 by 6, which is our answer. Children, we simplify this problem. First, we resolve the bracket. 2 multiplied by 3 by 4 plus in the bracket. Now, LCM of 2 and 5 is a 10. Therefore, 4 for getting in denominator 10, we multiply by 5 2 and we multiply by 4 2 in numerator plus minus 3 divided by, for getting the 10 in denominator, so we multiply 2 by 5. So in numerator we multiply minus 3 by 5 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 by 4 plus in the bracket 4 multiplied by 2 8, 5 multiplied by 2 10 plus minus 15 by 10 is equal to, now 2 multiplied by 3 by 4 plus 8 minus 15 divided by 10 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 by 4 plus 8 minus 15 is a minus 7 by 10. Now 2 to the 4. Therefore is equal to 3 by 2 plus multiply by minus is a minus plus multiply by minus is a minus. Therefore minus 7 by 10 is equal to, now LCM of 2 and 10 is a 10. Therefore, 3 divided by, in denominator for getting LCM 10, we multiply 2 by 5. So in numerator 3 multiplied by 5 minus 7 by 10 is equal to 15 by 10 minus 7 by 10 is equal to 15 minus 7 divided by 10 is equal to 8 by 10. Now we reduce this term. 4 multiplied by 2 and 5 multiplied by 2. 2 to cut is equal to 4 by 5, which is our answer. Now I think children, you can understand how to solve the rational numbers problems. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.